In the heart of ancient Mesopotamia, nearly 4,000 years ago, a powerful king named Hammurabi ascended to the throne of Babylon. His reign marked a significant moment in history, not just for his military conquests or the expansion of his empire, but for the creation of one of the earliest and most comprehensive codes of law, the Code of Hammurabi. Inscribed on a towering stone stele, this code was a revolutionary attempt to bring order, justice, and equality to his people. In this video, we'll explore the profound impact of these laws, the divine mandate that inspired them, and the intricate details of some of the most pivotal laws that shaped the society of ancient Babylon. Hammurabi's code begins with an invocation of divine authority. The gods themselves, Anu the Sublime, king of the Anunnaki, and Bel, the lord of heaven and earth, chose Hammurabi to bring justice to the land. Hammurabi proclaimed, "When Anu and Bel assigned to Marduk, the god of righteousness, dominion over earthly man, they called Babylon by his illustrious name and founded an everlasting kingdom in it. They called me Hammurabi, the exalted prince, to bring about the rule of righteousness in the land, to destroy the wicked and the evildoers, so that the strong should not harm the weak." This divine backing was not just a political move, but a declaration that the laws he was about to inscribe were in line with the will of the gods, meant to maintain cosmic and societal order. Hammurabi saw himself as a shepherd of the people, tasked with ensuring that justice prevailed throughout his kingdom. He was determined to protect the weak, punish the wicked, and ensure that the powerful could not exploit their position. As he stated, "I, Hammurabi, the exalted prince who feared God, was called to bring about the rule of righteousness in the land, to destroy the wicked and the evildoers, so that the strong should not harm the weak, so that I should rule over the black-headed people like Shamash and enlighten the land to further the well-being of mankind." This vision was the foundation upon which the code was built. Let's explore some of the key laws that highlight the principles Hammurabi aimed to uphold. These laws cover a wide range of issues, from property rights to personal injury, and reflect a deep concern for justice, order, and accountability. While we can only cover a few of the 282 laws in this video, each one is a testament to the complexity and fairness Hammurabi sought to embed in his society. For a more detailed exploration, we invite you to visit our website, Eat the Fruit, where you can read more about these ancient laws and their impact on history. Law 196, an eye for an eye. Perhaps the most famous of Hammurabi's laws is Law 196, which states, "If a man put out the eye of another man, his eye shall be put out." This principle of retributive justice, often summarized as an eye for an eye, reflects the belief that the punishment should fit the crime, an essential concept in maintaining order. Law 195, respect for parents. In a society where family was paramount, Hammurabi emphasized respect for parents with Law 195. "If a son strike his father, his hands shall be hewn off." This harsh punishment underscores the importance of filial piety and the respect owed to one's elders. Law 229, responsibility of builders. Law 229 holds builders accountable for their work. If a builder builds a house for someone and does not construct it properly, and the house which he built falls in and kills its owner, then that builder shall be put to death. This law highlights the seriousness with which safety and responsibility were regarded, ensuring that those who constructed homes and public buildings took their duties seriously. Law 3, the burden of proof. Law 3 states, "If anyone brings an accusation of any crime before the elders and does not prove what he has charged, he shall, if it be a capital offense charged, be put to death." This law places a heavy burden on the accuser, ensuring that frivolous or false accusations were not tolerated and that justice was not taken lightly. Law 6, theft and sacred property. Law 6 decrees, "If anyone steals the property of a temple or of the court, he shall be put to death, and also the one who receives the stolen thing from him shall be put to death." This law emphasizes the sanctity of religious and state property, underscoring the severe consequences of violating such sacred spaces. Law 138, separation and divorce. In matters of family law, Hammurabi was concerned with the welfare of women and children. Law 138 states, if a man wishes to separate from his wife who has borne him no children, he shall give her the amount of her purchase money and the dowry which she brought from her father's house, and let her go. This law ensured that even in separation, a woman was provided for and not left destitute. Law 233, consequences for faulty construction. Another law concerning builders, Law 233, states, if a builder builds a house for someone, even though he has not yet completed it, if then the walls seem toppling, the builder must make the walls solid from his own means. This law ensured that the safety and integrity of structures were maintained, protecting the lives and property of the citizens. Law 128, marital contracts. Hammurabi also recognized the importance of formalizing marital relationships. Law 128 declares, if a man takes a woman to wife but has no intercourse with her, this woman is no wife to him. This law established clear guidelines for the legitimacy of marriage, ensuring that legal and social norms were upheld. Law 55, agricultural responsibility. In a society dependent on agriculture, Law 55 stated, if a man lets in water and the water floods the plantation of his neighbor, he shall pay 10 gur of corn for every 10 gan of land. This law enforced responsibility among farmers, ensuring that their actions did not harm their neighbors' livelihoods. Law 282. The final word. The code concludes with a powerful statement. If a slave says to his master, "You are not my master," if they convict him, his master shall cut off his ear. This final law underscores the hierarchical nature of Babylonian society and the strict enforcement of social roles and responsibilities. The Code of Hammurabi ends with an epilogue, a reflection on the king's hopes for the future. Hammurabi writes, Hammurabi, the king of righteousness, on whom Shamash has conferred right, my words are well considered, my deeds are not equaled, to bring low those that were high, to humble the proud, to expel insolence. He expressed a desire that future rulers would uphold his laws, ensuring justice and prosperity for all. He warns against altering his laws or ignoring his decrees, invoking the wrath of the gods upon those who would do so. This epilogue serves as both a conclusion to the code and a reminder of its enduring significance. As we come to the end of our exploration of the Code of Hammurabi, it's clear that these ancient laws were more than just rules. They were a reflection of the values and priorities of an entire civilization. Hammurabi's efforts to create a just society resonate even today, reminding us of the timeless importance of fairness, accountability, and the protection of the vulnerable. If you found this journey into ancient Mesopotamia fascinating, there's so much more to discover. We regularly dive into the mysteries of history, exploring ancient texts, civilizations, and the legacies they've left behind. Don't miss out on future content. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you're always updated with our latest explorations. Thanks for watching.